Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise 4D, questions 1 to 5 of chapter 4 chapter. Chapter name is Integers of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise 4D, questions 1 to 5 of chapter integers and topic is subtraction of integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1 and question number 1 is convert the following subtraction expressions to equivalent addition expression. First bit is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, this is a subtraction expression and we have to convert this subtraction expression into equivalent addition expression. 9 minus 4 equal to 9 plus of minus 4. Minus 4 is inside the bracket. 7. Second bit is 7 minus of minus 3. 7 minus of minus 3, we can write this subtraction expression is 7 minus of minus is plus, so 7 minus of minus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is the addition expression. C. 8 minus of minus 15. 8 minus of minus 15, this is a subtraction expression and we have to convert the subtraction expression into addition expression. 8 minus of minus 15 equal to 8 minus of minus is plus 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 is an addition expression. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is find the difference. First bit is 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 equal to 15 plus of minus 8. 15 minus 8 is subtract 8 from 15, we get 7. As 8 plus 7 equal to 15. 8 minus of minus 3. Minus of minus we can write plus. 8 minus of minus 3 is 8 plus 3. And we add 3 to the integer 8. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. C. 16 minus of minus 5. 16 minus of minus 5 is 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. Now we solve question number 3 and question number 3 subtract the first integer from the second integer. We have given two integers and we have to subtract first integer from the second integer. Minus 300 and minus 200. First bit is minus 300 and minus 200. First integer is minus 300 and second integer is minus 200. We have to subtract the first integer, that is minus 300, from the second integer, that is minus 200. So minus 200 minus of minus 300 is minus 300 is negative integer, so minus 200 minus of minus 300 and minus of minus is plus, so minus 200 minus of minus 300 equal to minus 200 plus 300 and subtract 200 from 300, we get 100 and bigger number is 300 which is positive sign, so our result will be positive integer. So 3 minus 200 plus 300 equal to 100. Second bit B. 270 minus 270 is the first integer and minus 10 is the second integer. We have to subtract the first integer 270 from the second integer minus 10. So minus 10 minus 270. Minus 10 minus 270 is minus 280. C. Third bit C. 7985 is the first integer and minus 5 is the second integer. Subtract the second integer minus 5 from the subtract the first integer 7985 from the second integer minus 5. So minus 5 minus of 7985 minus 5 minus 7985 is minus, just add the number without the sign. 5 plus 7985 is 7990 and both are negative integer, negative sign. So just add the negative sign before the integer 7990. So we get minus 7990. Now we have to solve question number 4, and question number 4 is insert greater than, less than and equal to in each box. First bit is 6 minus of minus 2 dash 7 minus 5. Left hand side expression is 6 minus of minus 2. First we solve this left hand side expression. 6 minus of minus 2. 6 minus of minus 2 is minus is plus. So 6 minus of minus 2 is 6 plus 2, that is 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. And right hand side expression is 7 minus 5. Subtract 5 from the integer 7. So we get 2. As we know, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. We get left hand side expression, we get integer 8, and right hand side expression we get the integer 2. We know 8 greater than 2. So 6 minus of minus 2 is greater than 7 minus 5. Second bit B. Minus 2 minus of minus 8 dash 7 minus of minus 3. First we solve the left hand side expression, that is minus 2 minus of minus 8, and minus of minus is plus. Minus 2 minus of minus 8 is minus 2 plus 8, and subtract 2 from the integer 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, and the bigger number is 8, which is positive integer, so just add the positive sign before the integer 6. So we get minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6, that is 6. And right hand side expression is 7 minus of minus 3. 7 minus of minus 3 is minus is plus, so 7 minus of minus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. We know 6 is less than 10. So left hand side expression is less than right hand side expression. So minus 2 minus of minus 8 is less than 7 minus of minus 3. Now solve question number 5, and question number 5 is the sum of the two integers is 50. If one of the integer is minus 30, determine the second, determine the other integer. We have given the sum of two integers is 50, sum of two integers is 50, and one of the integer is minus 30, and we have to determine the second, that is the other integer. So let the other integer be x, and we have given sum of two integers is 50. So x plus, and one of the integer given is minus 30. So x plus minus 30 equal to 50. This is the expression, and we have to find the value of x. So x equal to 50 minus of minus 30 equal to minus of minus is plus. So 50 minus of minus 30 is 50 plus 30, and 50 plus 30 is 80. Therefore the other number is 80. Second bit B. The sum of two integers is minus 567. If one of the integer is 33, determine the other integer. Let the other integer be x, and we have given sum of two integer is minus 567 and one of the integer is 33. So we have given x plus one of the integer is 33. So x plus 33 equal to sum of the two integer is minus 567. So x plus 33 equal to minus 567. So x equal to minus 567 minus 33. Minus 567 minus 33. So add the integer without sign. 567 plus 33 is 600 and both are negative integer. So just add the negative sign before the integer 600. So we get x equal to minus 600. Therefore the other integer is minus 600. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.